Tomorrow is the first day of meteorological winter, and after an unusually dry and warm autumn, Mother Nature is about to remind us what winter really feels like. A strong kind of low pressure system will develop west of the country this weekend, bringing scattered showers and thunderstorms and a big drop in temperatures. And get this, there's even a chance of snow in Gauteng and northwest. Yes, you heard that right. So grab your coats and stay tuned as we break down all the details you need to know for this weekend's weather. On Saturday morning, a frosty morning over the western interior, with bands of showers already stretching over parts of the northern and the eastern Cape. A strong onshore flow of air will bring scattered to widespread showers to the southern coast and the adjacent interior. On Sunday morning, another frosty morning over the western interior, with this kind of low pressure system then developing west of the country, bringing bands of showers and thunderstorms to the central and the eastern areas, later also the southern parts of the country. Another spell of scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms possible on Monday, especially in parts of the western and the eastern Cape, as well as KwaZulu-Natal. Taking a look at our accumulated rainfall model and taking it all the way to Monday evening, we can see between 15 and 30 millimeters of rain is likely to accumulate throughout this weekend over big parts of the country. And in these red areas coming through, we are expecting more than 50 millimeters of rain to accumulate. On Saturday, isolated showers possible in the Western Cape, becoming scattered to widespread around the southern coast. The Weather Service is warning against disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding over the coast of the Eastern Cape as well as the adjacent interior. Showers and thunderstorms possible from Saturday morning over parts of the Northern Cape, becoming scattered in parts of the Karoo as well as the Eastern Cape. And into the evening, showers and thunderstorms possible along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. On Sunday, we are expecting the cut-off low pressure system to bring isolated showers to our neighboring country Namibia as well as the western part of the country, becoming scattered in the Karoo, the Northern Cape, Northwest, the Free State, KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape. Only isolated showers and thunderstorms possible in Gauteng and surrounding areas, but the first light dusting of snow possible on Sunday. We can see here over the southern parts of our neighboring country Namibia as well as parts of the Northern Cape. Now, this snow will most likely fall with rain, so it will quickly melt and will most likely not even settle on the ground, but heavier snow possible in the Lesotho, especially around Afriski on Sunday. On Monday, we can see another spell of scattered showers and thunderstorms possible. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible over the southwestern part of the country, widespread showers and thunderstorms here over parts of the western and the eastern Cape, as well as along the eastern coast and in KwaZulu-Natal. Scattered showers and thunderstorms now also possible in Gauteng, Mpumalanga, and the Free State. Isolated showers still possible over the western parts of the Northern Cape as well as our neighboring country Namibia. But an icy cold Monday with snowy conditions over big parts of the country. We can see heavier snow possible over the high mountainous areas in the western, the eastern and the northern Cape. Another spell of snowy conditions in Lesotho, especially around Afriski as well as the Sani Pass. And then over the eastern parts of the Free State, we're also expecting a light dusting of snow, and as far north as northwest and Gauteng. Now, the forecast is still a few days away and can still change, but we'll give another update closer to the time. Southeasterly to easterly winds blowing strong along the southern coast. The Weather Service is warning against damaging winds and waves between Cape Agulhas and East London, so please be careful. Northwesterly winds picking up and blowing over northwest and the Free State. On Sunday, remaining windy along the southern and the eastern coast, with northeasterly to easterly winds blowing fresh to strong. Northeasterly winds now picking up and blowing over the central and the eastern parts. On Monday, we are expecting the cut-off low pressure system to move away from the country, bringing northwesterly winds to the southwestern part of the country, blowing fresh to strong around the southwestern coast as well as the western interior. Northwesterly winds also blowing over the central part of the country and the eastern areas, and northeasterly winds blowing fresh to strong along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. On Saturday morning, a frosty morning as mentioned over the western interior, Sutherland dropping to a low of -4, also cold over the central interior on Saturday morning. On Saturday afternoon, remaining cold over the southwestern areas, maximum temperatures below 15 degrees Celsius, only 12 in Springbok, 9 in Sutherland, 14 in Graaff-Reinet, but remaining comfortable over the northeastern areas, Mbombela and Polokwane, reaching highs of 25. On Sunday morning, another freezing cold morning over the western interior where frost is yet again possible. Sutherland dropping to a low of -4 and 0 the morning in Bloemfontein. On Sunday afternoon, we are seeing the cooler conditions spreading further eastwards, only 17 in Bloemfontein and Bethlehem. remaining cold over the southwestern part of the country, Sutherland reaching a high of only 10, Springbok reaching a high of only 8, but comfortable conditions yet again over the northeastern areas, Polokwane and Mbombela reaching highs of 25. Then on Monday, much cooler conditions over the central and now the eastern parts of the country as well. Johannesburg reaching a high of only 16, Bloemfontein reaching a high of only 11, temperatures staying below 5 degrees Celsius over the high-lying areas in the Cape provinces. In these blue areas coming through, we are expecting maximum temperatures below 5 degrees Celsius, Sutherland reaching a high of only 6. Well, that's all from me. Stay warm this weekend and look out for any weather warnings issued by the South African Weather Service.